Hello, I'm Ian Matthew, Technical Marketing Manager with Autodesk Plant Solutions. In this video, we'll introduce you to the tools you'll use to manipulate drawing data in the AutoCAD P&ID. We'll export data, change the data in the spreadsheet, and import the data back into the Data Manager. You use the Data Manager to view, edit, and manipulate component and line data. You'll also use it to generate reports. You can export or import reports using Microsoft Excel spreadsheets or as a plain text in the form of comma-separated value files. As you can see, I have a drawing open to which I've previously added a few components and lines. This will give us some drawing data to work with. First, let's view and export drawing data in the Data Manager. We'll go to the ribbon, and on the project panel of the Home tab we'll click Data Manager. In the Data Manager displays data for the components and lines in Drawing 001. Let's take a few moments to explore the interface of the Data Manager. Note in the upper left-hand corner of the Data Manager window, current drawing data is displayed in the drop-down to indicate that we're working with a drawings component and line data. You can also work with P&ID project data and project reports. Just click the option you want. We don't have a customized view for the Data Manager, but if we did, it would display as an option in this drop-down list. You can zoom to a P&ID object in a drawing from its data table record. To demonstrate this, I'll click on the Zoom column preceding the control valve. Now I'll zoom to the eccentric reducer. You can also click on components in the drawing to locate and highlight them in the Data Manager. I'll click on the horizontal centrifugal pump in the drawing, which is partially displayed just below our Data Manager window. The pump is now displayed and highlighted in the data table. We want to export all components and line data in the current drawing. To do this, I'll go to the Data Manager tree view and click Engineering Items. On the Data Manager toolbar, I'll click Export. This brings up the Export Data dialog box. I'll click Browse and navigate to the My Project folder. In the file name box, I'll just accept the default spreadsheet file name and click Save. Finally, I'll click OK. Now I'm going to modify the exported data in the spreadsheet I just created. I'll open Windows Explorer and locate the spreadsheet that we just exported and saved. I double-click the file and open it in Excel. In the spreadsheet, data for each component or line is separated into multiple worksheets. I locate and select the Engineering Items worksheet. And then in the Manufacturer column, I'm going to enter West as the manufacturer for valves. And I'll enter Acme as the manufacturer for nozzles. I'll save the file with the same name and same file type and in the same location as the original file. To import the changed P&ID data from the spreadsheet, I go back to the Data Manager and make sure that the Engineering Items node is selected. In the toolbar, I click Import. I click OK. And in the Import from dialog box, I navigate to the My Project folder and click the file name of our spreadsheet. I click Open and OK. In the Data Manager, the changes that we made in the spreadsheet are highlighted in yellow. In the drawing, the affected components have revision clouds. I can hide or display the revision clouds by clicking on the revision cloud in the toolbar. You can accept or reject changes one at a time by right-clicking on a modified record and clicking Accept Edit or Reject Edit, like I'm doing here. You can also accept or reject all changes by using the Accept All or Reject All buttons on the Data Manager toolbar. I'll accept the rest of them in this way. There you have it, a quick introduction to manipulating drawing data in the AutoCAD P&ID. Thank you for watching.